Comment is one of the one that I like the most because, as Brad said, we create a lot of content. I create a lot of content, part of my job. You could ask people that work with me. I have a lot of opinions when we create content. So I like to add comments about stuff. So here, what you can see is by default, with my code, I'm going to show you the code after. I decided to show the comments by default. By default, if I load the page, I wouldn't see, sorry, the comments sidebar, but I decided just for the sake of the demo, I have an option to show it by default. And I see that there is 2 comments here. So, when I remove that, I don't see the comments within my content, but when I show the comments sidebar, I see that James, which I think is me for the sake of that example, wrote a comment, and Maya also wrote a comment. So if I click on those comments, it highlights where the comment, but you can have a thread also on those comments. So James said like, hey, what do you think about this? Maya said, I think it's great. And I agree. So I think I'm James. So maybe I have 2 personalities right now, but like I can just add to that. And there's other options. So because I created that comment, so I can resolve that discussion, it kind of like disappear. Here, I can also add a comment. Please revise the sentence. Exclamation point. Unprofessional. Okay, maybe I won't work too well with Maya. I think she's a little bit too much intense. Do not agree with that. So I can add a comment here. I'm going to save that. But if I try to delete the discussion because I did not create it, I'm not an admin, so there is a way to manage the permission here. I cannot delete that comment. I cannot also resolve the conversation because I decided I didn't have the permission. But if I had a comment here, I can say like, what do you think about that? And make a mistake on the way to writing that, save that, and now I have new comment.